back to Twist and Shout. We're on our round 3
Eto
with
na.
3 points.
Yes.
Humabal ang blue.
Hindi, actually, oo.
Right?
Hindi, lamang actually ang blue ngayon.
Now,
Maari pang
from
humabol
behind,
ang red. Oo.
Maka-blue, come on, that's good stuff.
Yeah!
As
Pero-
we proceed to our next distraction, right?
That's right.
Mga kapamilya, this
We
is the
have
one that
something really
everyone's been
special.
talking about. But before that, tell
Ito,
about the
isang
repackage.
napaka-special na inihanda namin. Actually, yung As One na lagi namin pinopromote dito, yung CD, it's been repackaged. Kasama na ngayon ang, well, the title cut of
Twist and
Twist
Shout. And the new thing is Gary's no longer on the CD.
Ha?
You didn't
No,
hear?
hindi ko alam yun.
Whoops!
Twist and Shout, malapit na. Ipapalabas kasama na ng As One CD. Bale, pag nakuha mo yung As One CD, andun na rin yung Twist,
Twist
and
and Shout.
That's
Just
right.
kidding.
Okay.
I'm the one not there.
Okay.
With
Back.
you.
Going back.
To the cold part.
Lumamang na ang blue team with 6 points.
Yes.
So, to the red team, galingan nyo at kaya nyo pang humabol.
This
for
has
sure.
to be your round. Our third weapon of mass distraction ang nagbabalik. It's the
Ice. 15 sacks of ice in one cool tank. Ang temperatura ng tubig na ito ay 1 degree.
Let's watch out and find out more of the stats of Vanessa
From the red team.
Lovely and shy Vanessa plays basketball and is a varsity player too.
Sanay si Vanessa sa init dahil ipinanganak siya sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia and lived there for 18 years.
Sing fame! Ito na si Vanessa from the red team. Let's dip and shout! Here we go.
From the red team, Vanessa.
Look at me and tell me what you see. You take the best from me and give me time. I'll make you forget the rest. I got more in me, and you can set it free. I can catch the moon in my head. Don't you know who I am? Remember my name. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I feel it coming together. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my
She loves
Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my
The red team. Oh! Yes!
Vanessa of the red team.
Towels, blow dryer, microwave oven, whatever it takes. On to our next challenger. It's Joanne from the blue team. Let's watch this as Vanessa drives up.
Hahamakin daw ni Joanne ang lahat maging artista lamang. Para ma-practice, umaarte siya sa harap ng salamin.
And right on that path, she has countless acting and declamation awards.
We have the poker face because we
right.
don't have to do this.
That's right.
Singing poker face. It's Joanne turning blue in the vocal soup. Let's dip.
Dip and shout!
I wanna hold them like they do in Texas Live. Hold them at and make me race it, play this way with me. They get into vision, play the cards as they decide. And after it's finger, I'll play the one that's on his side. Oh, 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 oh.
the upper hand as far as the judges are concerned with round 3. Aisa, you start.
Ang masasabi ko lang siguro, besides sa mga distractions na to, this is still a singing contest. Kaya itong decision ko pala, kasi mas naiintindihan ko yung mga lyrics na lumalabas sa bibig niya. Hindi man siya super performance level, pero para sa akin mas singer siya. So, ang 3 points ko ay mapupunta sa red team.
Red team!
3 points.
Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy!
Si Joanne, kaya magaling kasi hindi mo i-expect sa isang band manager na may boses pala na ganon. However, may tendency kang kainin ng konti yung words mo. Si Vanessa, eto naman yung problema. Nung nilulublog ka, kuminsan ng distraction, hindi mo pwedeng i-ignore lang. You have to acknowledge it, gamitin mo. Eto parang hindi mo lang pinapansin eh. Siya pinansin niya at naligo pa siya dun sa yelo. Pero talagang nung wala na ako mapagbasihan sa boses na ako tumakbo, Vanessa, you have my 2 points. Vanessa of the red team.
Eto na!
Blue team is still in the game, Andrew.
Andrew E!
Okay, Vanessa, highest point ng iyong performance kanina would be nung binababa ka na sa yelo, ay isinabay yon sa chorus mo. With Joanne naman, stage presence ang hindi matatawaran sa'yo. Para sa akin, para ka lang nagko-concert. Ang aking point would be, sino sa kanilang dalawa ang pinaka non-affected? I go for Blue, Joanne.
Oh my God! Gary!
Sa round na ito,
I'm not good at math, but I know the
ang
score.
red team nakakuha ng 6 points.
Wow.
Ang blue team nakakuha ng 3 points. Ang total, pangalawang beses to na mangyayari dito sa Twist and Shout. Ang blue team, 9 points! Teka! Ang red team, 9 points din!
How do we do this?
Kayo ang mag-decide.
This is how it goes. This will be a hard decision. We're in a show in 1-1. The same.
So, eto, napag-desisyon na namin at napag-usapan namin tatlo na ang pipiliin namin ay ang team na may pinakamaraming nanalo.
Okay.
So, para sa amin, ang nanalo ay ang red team!
The red team
Congratulations,
wins the tiebreaker.
Congratulations, Red.
Out of team points. Let's hear it, Mako Red. Because when we come back, the jackpot round of the most popular weapon of mass distraction right here on Twist and Shout. The turntable coming up.